A big expense for Canadians is the money that they spend on fuel, and today, owners of vehicles and companies are looking for more ways to become sustainable. However, the accessibility to biodiesel is not yet in the market. Hi, I'm Matt Webb, and I've designed a mobile biodiesel processor that can adapt to existing diesel fuel tanks. We have an input of used vegetable oil with an output of biodiesel, as well as glycerin byproduct. We offer fuels in various blends that are compatible with all diesel engines without requiring any modification to your engine. Furthermore, our product is biodegradable and non-toxic. Our competitors are Springboard Biodiesel and Biofuels Corporation. Springboard produces high-quality biodiesel using a washing machine model which can be found in many schools and universities in the US. However, due to their small scale and automated design, this makes for very inflated maintenance and repair costs. BioCube is a large-scale, Quebec-sourced company who also offers 100% biodiesel. However, they too have high maintenance and repair costs due to their automation. Both companies treat their byproduct as a waste stream, which is an untapped resource. CBF doesn't have high maintenance or repair costs, as many of our parts may be sourced from a local hardware store. Furthermore, we have the blending ability to allow you to pick the biodiesel blends that are recommended for your vehicle. And lastly, we have a trade secret which enables us to create a liquid glycerin byproduct which we've marketed to construction businesses. We have a fuel dispensing pump which is composed of selector buttons which allows you to pick the biodiesel blend that's recommended for your vehicle. 100% of vehicle manufacturers today warranty their vehicles for the use of B5, with over 80% of manufacturers now warranting the use of B20 blends. We've worked with CBDC Hans Kings in developing our cash flow projections, which played a significant role in our development of our revenue stream. We've also worked with researchers at St. Mary's University, where we've developed a physical formula for our trade secret byproduct. We're also working with a researcher at Acadia University who has experience with biodiesel, and we'd like to develop specific IP around our biodiesel blending techniques. To date, we've received over 24 letters of interest from restaurants and construction businesses, as well as a letter of intent from a national construction company. We plan to launch our crowdfunding campaign and then secure our funds by the end of this year, which would enable us to build our first processor and begin operations in the spring of 2018. From there, we plan to grow by building up to a dozen more processors throughout the Maritimes, and then scaling across Canada by building 50 more before entering the world market. We have a great team that we are fortunate to receive funding through the National Research Council for that enable us to grow a social media presence, not only through a Facebook page, but also an informative website. I myself have a cumulative experience of 20 years in mechanics, as well as 11 years oil, gas, and construction industries, with the last 5 years focusing on renewable fuels. We need $150,000 to build our first processor. From there, we can build a dozen more in Nova Scotia alone. This will create jobs for metal fabricators, painters, sandblasters, and electricians, not to mention a dozen new, clean tech jobs that are sustainable. Please help us in making biodiesel available to Nova Scotia communities that will create jobs, reduce fuel costs, and eliminate up to 1,200 tons of CO2 per year. Thanks.